Jobble Online Job Platform Review, Usage Experience. In today's video, I'll be reviewing Jobble, an online job platform designed for gig workers and freelancers looking for flexible work opportunities. If you're interested, I've added a link in the description, so be sure to check it out after watching this review. Jobble is a job marketplace specifically tailored for independent workers, offering a variety of short-term, part-time, and contract positions across different industries. It primarily focuses on the gig economy, providing job listings in fields such as warehouse work, delivery driving, hospitality, customer service, and event staffing. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or full-time flexible work, Jobble connects you with employers who need on-demand workers. One of the standout features of Jobble is its intuitive mobile app, which allows job seekers to search, apply, and manage gigs on the go. The application process is straightforward. Once you create a profile, you can browse job listings, apply for positions, and track your applications, all from your phone. The built-in payment system ensures secure and timely payouts, eliminating the hassle of invoicing and follow-ups. Another great aspect of Jobble is its community-focused approach. They offer Jobbler perks, which include access to health benefits, financial tools, and even discounts on services like phone plans and insurance. This is a significant advantage, as most gig workers don't receive traditional employment benefits. However, Jobble operates as a job marketplace rather than a direct employer, meaning that job availability depends on market demand and location. Some users have reported that job listings can be inconsistent, especially in smaller cities. Additionally, since gigs are provided by third-party employers, pay rates and work conditions can vary. Overall, Jobble is a solid choice for gig workers looking for flexible, well-paying job opportunities with the added benefit of perks and financial resources. If you're looking to earn extra income or transition into freelance work, Jobble is definitely worth exploring. Click the link in the description to check it out and let me know your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.